Ternyata ka na siya, ternyata yung manok na yan.
Kuya! Gonna show you my mother went grocery shopping. She went to SNR. She bought this Members Value antibacterial laundry detergent, some Johnson, some snacks, Pringles, Pepero. Okay, Pepero. So I'm so hungry right now, and my dinner is Jollibee. This is only 88 pesos, and my mother got me as SNR rotisserie chicken, fresh and delicious. I'm gonna eat. Thank you, Lord, for this dinner and for my lovely dog who is waiting for the phone.